Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Microsoft Authenticator and confirming cloud backup. Once done, sign into your primary Microsoft account so recovery is enabled. Make sure backup is active. Next, grant the app camera permission. This lets you scan setup QR codes. Now tap the plus icon to add an account and choose the account type. This sequence prevents lost tokens and speeds setup. Because scanning is faster than manual codes and backup ensures you can restore tokens. You'll pick the account type next, work/school, Microsoft Personal, or other top services, and then scan the QR code provided by the website. If a QR isn't available, choose manual entry and paste the secret key exactly. Once scanned or entered, the app creates a 6-digit rotating code. Enter that code back into the service to verify. Make sure your phone's clock is accurate because time drift will break one-time codes, so toggle automatic time settings if needed. Finish by giving the account a clear label and running a quick test login to confirm everything works. Once done, ensure cloud backup complete so you can restore accounts to another phone. If you move devices, install Authenticator and restore from backup. If codes fail, first sync your phone's time, then remove and re-add the account using a fresh QR or secret. This fixes most issues. For persistent failures, contact the account provider to reset two-factor settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.